Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and as you've seen from the title, we're unboxing this beautiful Thumpstar 250. Oh boy, let's get it. And before we get to the unboxing, you know I gotta pop it up real quick just to see. Yo! This thing is slick! Bruh! Feels so good. Yo gang, what is good? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo. I hope you guys are having a great day. As you can see, I just got a package in the mail and it is a 250cc dirt bike by Thumpstar. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's inside the box. I can't wait to open this thing up, build it up, and of course we're going to go for a little cruise around and just see what this thing is capable of. So let's get into this damn box. The moment is here. I can't believe they could fit a full-size 250cc dirt bike in a box, bro. Like, what the hell? Take off this bubble wrap. Oh my. Bro, it looks like my Thumpstar, but it's like the full-size version. If you guys don't remember, I had a 140cc pit bike by Thumpstar. And this is like the bigger, stronger version of it. Oh my. Let's keep taking this bubble wrap off. Can't wait to start shredding it. Yeah, we got the front wheel off, bro. And it comes pumped up, bro. Like, even the rear tire is pumped up. Like, what? That is some quality shipping right there. I don't even gotta pump these up. Bro, this thing feels good. It's legit. It's a legit dirt bike wheel. This ain't no pit bike stuff, man. How we looking? Good? Alright, it should just pop off. Bro, every step of the way you just get to see the bike a little bit more and a little bit more, and it just gets more and more exciting. The best part of an unboxing, the plastic. Y'all hear that? This is a legit fender right here. This ain't no pit bike fender. I didn't even notice this. But it comes with a freaking headlight. Ah, so it's almost like an enduro dirt bike. Alright, before we take the bike off the crate, I sort of want to see what's inside this box. Maybe there's like a manual or who knows. We're about to find out though. It's a mysterious box. Oh, so if you don't want to put the front light on, you could put just like a regular light, or I mean a regular plastic, like dirt bike plastic. Air filter, handlebar bar or padding. We're definitely gonna need that, bro. We might as well put that on right now. The gas cap, but it does come with a hitch for the back. What the hell? Well, I could bring this on a Euro trip, dude. Like, I remember I put one of these on my DRZ. It like goes on the back fender and you can put bags and stuff on it. Aha! The keys. I got the keys to the Bima. I found it. I found the owner's manual. To be honest, who needs that? Alright, now we're putting the bars on. This thing is starting to look like a dirt bike. I am digging it. Falling, falling, falling. I'm falling, falling. I think that's the best I'm gonna get it. Damn. Like I said, that bit ain't no pit bike. Hell no. We did it. We got it on the stand, the dirt bike stand. I'm drenched, but we could put the damn forks on now. We're almost there. We're almost at the end of the road, and we could cruise on this bad boy and see how she freaking wheel skis. On sight, you could risk your life. Yeah, who died? Hide from red and blue lights. Keep looking, be surprised what you find. Yo, we did it. The Thumpstar 250 is complete. All I have to do is put on the front number plate and she is good to go. I'm gonna take off all these plastics. Took about 2 hours and 30 minutes to get it done. But boy, am I excited. I'm soaked, it's hot as hell in Florida, as you can see. But I'm excited to rip this thing and just see how it shreds. Scrape this rear fender, that's coming. I'm pretty sure it's possible on this bike. On my old Thumpstar, it wasn't possible because it was too short. But this one looks pretty damn long, so I think it's possible. Hopefully the dirt bike gods are with us and she starts first kick. But yeah, we're gonna freaking put on the helmet and go for a little test ride. Yo gang, the moment y'all have been waiting for. The Thumpstar 250 is fully built, and I mean, bro, look at her. She looks so pretty. We got one little plastic we gotta take off before we freaking hop on her, so let's... Ooh, you see that, Thumpstar? Let's go, brother. Dude, I'm so excited to rip this thing and see what she is capable of. As you can see, bro, she looks like a legit dirt bike, bro. We got that big air-cooled engine. Let's see, let's turn the gas on. Boom, boom, gas is on. Let's see if she starts first go. She's electric start, so we don't even got to kick her, bro. Alright, let's see what's popping. Turn the key on. It's got a freaking key, bro. Look, it's got a key. What the hell? Turn the key on. Oh my gosh, she's alive, bro. Do a little 360 before we get on her. Let's see what she's sounding like. Oh boy, she sounds dialed in. Let's hop on her real quick. Go for a little cruise. This ain't a first ride. This is just, you know, to show you what this thing is like real quick. Yo, she rips, bro. Yo, this thing rips. Holy crap, dude. Alright, we got a little off-road section here. This ain't a first ride. This is just... This thing is so crazy. It's so much smoother than I expected, bro. Like, the power is very linear, but like when you get on it, it still wants to go. Oh, there's a car. Yeah, it's loud, dude. Yo, this thing is badass, dude. But bro, just feel how smooth it is. Like, I'm barely on the throttle. There's like no lag at all. This thing tunes. That means the carb is dialed in. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so stoked. I can't even talk. I'm so excited, bro. Oh. This thing is amazing, bro. First impression, wow. Alright, let's go to my little wheel ski lot right here. Yo! Like, you see that power? Yeah, it's so dope. Bro, and it pulls. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna have to wait till the first ride to really get on this. But man, I hope you guys... Let me turn down off real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. We're gonna be doing a first ride. We're gonna be doing a reliability test. We're really gonna be putting this thing through everything, to be honest, bro. But so far, oh my god, and look, she looking good, bro. Whew. Damn, I'm stoked. Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay motivated, stay disciplined. Until next time, peace.